Oh no 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 no! Oh, darn! Dude, I'm so good at this. Gosh, I hate this game. Gosh, you don't have to hate the game. You just hate me losing. Yeah, just Super Smash Bros. Brawl is so hard. Yeah, yeah, 'cause you won't show any mercy. Whatever. I'm just gonna keep playing a little bit longer. What's up, guys? So, what's the plan? What's right there? Oh, not joining? Sure. Oh, cool. Got pink. Look at this Wii remote. Awesome. Yeah. Yay. No, don't. No, 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 no. Oh, crud. No, no. Hey, gotcha. Aw. Whoa. Seriously? Yeah, here. Ow. Okay. I'm done. Yeah, me too. Yeah. Let's do real life Super Smash Bros. Brawl. What? Seriously? Ah! Yeah! No! Yeah, that was easy. But it's not over yet. Oh, come on. Yeah, 'cause I got a gun. Remember the past episode? Oh, come on. Dude, seriously. Don't want to get hit in the head with this thing again. Well, okay, just shoot me somewhere else. Where? Right there. Please don't already got shot there. What? Why not? What the heck? Ha, it's no fun turning! Oh! This is how you reload. Like that. See? That's how you reload. You don't teach me nothing. Like just this. Let's go first. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Too awesome. Too awesome. Ah. Yeah. I'm gonna get you. Whoa. Please don't forget to like and subscribe us. Get out of here. I want to say that. So bad.